Janelle Endres with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, and today I would like to introduce you to 11327 94th Street North in Largo, Florida. This fabulous 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo has been meticulously maintained and is likely one of the area's best kept secrets. Let's go inside and see. This beautiful home boasts over 1,100 square feet and is in the highly sought after area of Oak Park. The open floor plan is bright and inviting with comfortable living and dining areas. The large master bedroom also includes a walk-in closet and sitting area outside of the master bath. Washer and dryer hookups complement this turnkey, spacious home, which is ready for immediate move-in. One of the many amenities offered in this community include a wonderful swimming pool. The location is incredibly convenient and only minutes to shopping outlets, public library, Lake Seminole County Park, and the Gulf beaches. With the one-car attached garage, it is just right for a vacation home or a permanent home as well. You can have all the privacy and fun things to do and be on vacation here forever. The condo is perfectly priced, and if you are thinking about buying this amazing home, call me and I'll show you the best place for snowbirds in Florida. Remember, with our VIP buyer guarantee, if you're not satisfied with this purchase within 12 months, we will sell it for free. Also, if you are thinking of selling a home, call me. We guarantee the sale of your home or we will buy it ourselves. Call me and start packing. Janelle Endres at 727-755-3069.